Hey guys, Indri from Czech DC-9 project with another update from the avionics which I started a few days ago, and I have a first success with this course indicator, which brings me to another level of what I'm planning to do and how these instruments are working. As you can see, this instrument is not open because we have very good documentation of the DC-9 and the instruments itself, so I know the pinout and I know the type of things that are inside. So I knew there is a motor that should rotate the heading dial here, and there are two needles showing the VOR or ADF modes. That instrument is not connected to Flight Simulator yet. I just want to demonstrate movement of the dial right, left, and different speeds. So that's what I'm gonna do now. First I will. Okay. I'm just changing the values here. So I'll put 0.25 onto these two outputs here. That's the digital and the analog outputs of the Arduino here, which are powered by the H bridge, and then that the signal is sent directly into the gauge, which has some pins connected, and yes, that's how it works. So I just changed the values here from 0 to 0.25, and that should turn slowly to the right. I mean, the aircraft will turn to the right, and you see the sketch is uploading, and now you can see the dial is rotating very slowly to the left, so that the aircraft is let's say turning to the right. Now I just switch two values here, from 2 to 1 and from 1 to 2, and I will upload that new sketch, and that dial will turn right, so the aircraft will turn to the left. As you can see, it's now turning very slowly to the left, and here is the magic. I'll put a higher value here, for example 0.4. That's the index of the speed of the dial. So if I upload that sketch, 0.4, it will turn right. That means the aircraft left, but much faster. As you can see here, it's much faster. And if I put, for example, 0.7 here, and I will upload that sketch, it will turn yet faster. See, it's pretty quick now. And of course, if I change the direction here to 2 and the second to 1, it will turn to the other direction with this speed. So see, the aircraft is turning right. And sorry. And yeah. And if I put these two values to 0, 0, 0, and upload that sketch, that instrument stops and does nothing. So this is how I can control from the Arduino sketch this instrument rotating right or left by different speed, by changing this index on the right, and the 2 and 1 changing the values, so that I can replace these values with the variables, and this instruments can be programmed. And then there is another thing I have to solve, but I don't know how to do it. There are transmitters. So that's basically sinus and cosinus values. They send and by combination of these two, with the sinus and cosinus, you can read the position of the dial. So that will be the next step, to connect these transmitters into the Arduino analog output and try to make a position sensing. And then the last step will be combine these two, the speed of rotating of the dial and sensing the values from the transmitter, and connect them into the Cool Sky DC-9, which then will be already very easy. So that's the update of the first avionics instrument I've been able to move. And this is the course indicator. Of course, the two needles are here, but that's really easy stuff to do. That's just two receivers. So, and I've got a lot of them in the main instrument panel already working. So guys, that's it. I'm very happy with that, with this motor working, because it's in an attitude indicator. They are the same motors, and so I'm very happy that this motor is working. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.